Family of courses in the cement industry. Present to you. What do you know about quarter brick ring for rotary kiln in cement industry? In rotary cement kilns, a quarter brick ring approach is a method for installing, or repairing refractory linings, by laying bricks over a 90° arc at a time. Often supported by temporary machinery, example kiln lining rigs, to manage the arch structure. This technique, which typically involves rotating the kiln by 90° for each section, helps in establishing accurate, radial alignment of bricks to avoid premature failure, particularly when inserting locking bricks at the end. Thanks for following the channel, Courses in the Cement Industry. And please help us to continue and provide more information, by subscribe to the membership, and inviting your colleagues to watch this channel.